Welcome to Sewingrevolution Tricks and Tips. So today I'm going to show you how to transfer your pattern notches onto your fabric by using a water erasable pen rather than using the traditional tailor's tap method. So obviously first of all you're going to need to get a water erasable pen, and you're also going to need to have some spare pins to hand as well. So I've got one here. So here's my pattern. You can see that I've got a notch that I need to transfer across. So what you would do is cut out your pattern pieces as normal, but for speed I'm just going to leave the pattern piece onto the fabric. And then what I'm then going to do is take the spare pin and then place that through the notch, so it's going through both of the fabric layers. Taking my water erasable pen, I'm going to peel back the layers of fabric, revealing the pin, and you can see that it's in the top and the bottom layers. And then where the pin actually comes through the fabric, you can then mark using your water erasable pen. Hope you've enjoyed my Sewingrevolution tricks and tips. Why not stay tuned by subscribing or visit my website for more details.